Alright, let me show you some tips and tricks that I've learned through years of wearing this. So, we have our Adventure wallet, we have our credit cards here. When we put our credit cards in, you want to put the credit card that you use the most on the back. And we're going to stick it in, and I'll explain this in just a second. And we'll close it up, and then we'll put it around our neck. And then we'll use the adjustment cord lock to adjust this to the length before we want to wear it. And then of course just put it down there and it's hidden from view. So when we need to go use our credit card, we'll pull it out, open it up, and it makes it really easy to go in like this with our thumb. We pull out and we know exactly what the credit card is when we need it. And when we put it back in, it makes it much easier. Just go straight to the back and we always know where it is. Seal it up, put it back in, and there we go. Let me show you another way to wear this. I don't typically wear it like this. I know some people have worn it like this, so I'm just going to show you. And that is around the belt, just in case for whatever reason you didn't want to wear it around your neck, and then you can put it in your pocket. And then you just go around and then your wallet's in your pocket. The other thing that you can do is you can tighten this up to where it rides really high. Put it in the back pocket, side pocket, or front pocket rather. However you wanted to do it. I don't really wear it that way, but I do know that some people that have bought these do wear it that way. So, I hope that this has helped. And if you have any questions, just let us know.